Hello students, welcome back to the class on principles of management. In continuation to my previous discussion where I have given you the concept of management, herein I shall be discussing with you all in detail about the different definitions which has been given in a conceptualized form by different management professionals. As we know, the term management has been used in different senses by different management professionals. Sometimes it refers to a process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. And at other times it is used to describe it as a management function. It is also referred to as a body of knowledge and a practice and a discipline. There are some who describes management as a technique of leadership and decision making, while some others have analyzed management as an economic resource and a factor of production or a system of authority. However, according to Sir Henry Fell is a renowned management profession. According to Mr. Sir Fell, to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. Fell described management as a process of 5 functions, that is planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Modern authors, however, do not view coordination as a separate function of management, but however, according to Sir Henry Fell, management comprises of these 5 pillars. Because to manage something, we have to plan. Without planning, no management is possible. Then there has to be proper way of organizing what has been planned. Then commanding or delegating, we would say. That is, you are delegating others to do the work as per what is planned and organized. Then at the same time coordinating with the people to accomplish the task well. Because we will see in the later part of the discussion that management is a coordination. It's conducted by a group of people. It is not a one-man task. And then lastly is controlling. There has to be proper control over what is planned and executed. According to Sir George Terry, management is a distinct process consisting of activities of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling, performed to determine and accomplish stated objectives with the use of human beings and other resources. So according to Terry, he says that it's a collective effort of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. However, there is a slight modification from the above definition to what Henry Fell said. George Terry has included in the word actuating over here, which is nothing but the way how we coordinate and delegate the work with others. So, with a common objective, with the use of human beings and other resources. Therefore, to manage something, there has to be an effective and efficient use of manpower as well as the other available resources that the organization has at its disposal. So, from these definitions, we see that management is a process which is continuous and therefore it is consisted of different functions that needs to be performed for effective performance of organization process. Thank you very much.